What's up, social mafia? Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the first part of 3 videos about Instagram paid advertisement, and in this part you're going to learn what are the types of Instagram advertisement, how much does it cost, which one suits you the best and your requirements the best, and which type of content you should create in order to run a successful Instagram campaign. Let's begin. At the beginning of the video, I would like to mention that I totally feel your disappointment with Instagram in the last days or weeks or months, because it's getting harder and harder to grow on Instagram, that the strategies that you used before, like power likes, engagement groups and things like that, don't simply work very well. And once you use just simply organic methods to grow your Instagram, like using relevant hashtags, the Instagram growth is very slow. So I absolutely understand you, because I'm the same person as you. I don't have a magic to grow my Instagram account, but I'm gonna share with you methods where you can invest a little bit of money to help your Instagram to grow even faster. That is absolutely true. What's happening with Instagram is that Instagram wants you to invest money in advertisement so they can push your content and your account to a bigger audience. That is absolutely fine. Without investing in advertisement, it's almost impossible to grow exponentially on Instagram. That is why you have to reconsider your thinking and start thinking how much money you are ready to invest in the paid advertisement. That doesn't have to be a big amount of money. For example, me personally, I invest not more than $100 per month for advertisement on Instagram. It can be any kind of number, because we are going to create an amazing ad that doesn't require a lot of budget but will still perform and bring you a lot of traffic. So let's begin with different type of advertisement. There are different types of advertisement on Instagram. First of all, you can advertise via Instagram ad app. If you are switched to a business profile, for sure you have seen the button right here, like a promote your post. And you can also promote even your Instagram story now. So you can do it directly via app. Or you can go and use a business manager, ads manager on your Facebook and create a campaign inside Facebook for your Instagram account. Which type of ads you should go for? So let me be clear with you. To set an ad on Instagram app, it's actually very simplified process, which I think will constrain you choosing and applying more things to your campaign. So if you want to boost a post just like randomly and to get some engagement, go ahead and do that. But if there is a special campaign and you really want to get and gain traffic, make sure to use ads manager on Facebook, because it will allow you to set campaign more detailed and you will see more detailed information once this campaign is running. Because as I said before, advertisement on Instagram via app has really limited settings, while Ads Manager in Facebook will allow you to set campaign professionally. So when I talk also about different types of advertisement, I of course have to tackle here that there are different types of advertisement. On Instagram is Instagram stories advertisement and Instagram feed advertisement. Which one is going to perform the best? It depends on your objective, on your goals, and what kind of content you actually provide, what kind of campaign it's going to be. There is really tons of questions. But in terms of performance, for example, if you decided to go for a video and create a video to promote your product or service, then for this case, Instagram story is going to be a better choice, because Instagram naturally are made for videos. And as far now more and more people are eager to watch Instagram stories than scroll around the feed. But if you decide to go for a picture with quite a long caption behind it, let's say you're promoting a special webinar or a special event where you have to really list some details about this program, then you better go for feed advertisement, the post in the feed, because in this way people will be able to read and find more information with the help of the caption. It really depends what kind of product or services you're promoting. I always talk about products and services, but what if you are just an Instagrammer and you don't have any product or service? what you have to do in this case. So I would like to disappoint you. When I teach my clients and talk with my clients about paid advertisement, I tell them explicitly that you have to be able to monetize what you are doing in future. So either you have to have a product, digital product or physical product, or a service that you are selling out. Otherwise, just investing money for the sake of likes in paid advertisement, that is not gonna work, and that's not gonna bring you anywhere. To become just an influencer in a specific niche, that's also not the best choice to invest in paid advertisement. My recommendation for this case would be to just work simply on the content and try to do other promotion activities like shouts or participating as a sponsor in giveaways. I hope you enjoyed this video so far. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet, and hit the bell button to not miss any of my videos. So how much does it cost paid advertisement on Instagram? That of course depends on your budget, but I would highly suggest you, if your budget is limited, then go at least for $5 a day. And this way you can really test what kind of ads, what type of ads performing the best, and then once you realize that this ad, this target group performs the best, then you're gonna allocate more money to this ad group. But about this we're going to talk a little bit later. So it's really up to you what kind of budget you can assign, but I recommend you to go at least for $5 a day. In this way you will have enough money to test different ads groups. And the last part of this video is I'm gonna walk you a little bit through Facebook Ads Manager Goals objectives. That's basically a marketing funnel journey, awareness, consideration and conversions. And so once you decide to go for any of these objectives, that's where the setting of advertisement begins, and that's where you have to think beforehand. Many people don't really think about the objectives, don't invest a lot of time to make research and to think what kind of objective suits their requirements the best. Let me split it out and explain from objective to objective. The awareness phase is when you are spreading awareness about your product or service to the audience that don't know you yet, to show up to a targeted audience, and that's it. So it's just your product or service is gonna be shown for people who don't know who you are yet. This objective is gonna be very good for a brand, for already good known brand who wants to show their products or service for a bigger audience. The next objective is consideration. Is actually that's one of my favorite objectives when setting an ad campaign. We are actually gonna focus on the consideration phase in most of the cases. This is the phase when you attract people who already know you, they already interacted with your content. These are people who already expressed their interest, but they didn't purchase anything from you. This is the most interesting audience, and that's where we're gonna work, because the consideration phase, we are just gonna warm up these people. We're gonna tell them, hey, I remember that you were on my page, but here I have a new product and service, you for sure have to try it out. So we just want to remind them about us. These objectives, you can save a lot of money and keep the awareness. The next phase is conversion, is actually already making the people who already follow you to convert them into the customers and make them purchase something. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to list them below. And if there's any topic you want me to cover in my future videos, make sure to list it as well in the comment section, because I create content based on your requests.